I stumbled across this massive cliff overlooking Monument Valley. It was when I started looking for campsites on the edge of this cliff that I noticed something odd. The cliffside was not a straight line, as you would expect. It looked more like a giant zigzag. And then I zoomed in, and suddenly I understood why. This cliffside is composed of hundreds, maybe even thousands, of massive, geometrically perfect cubes and rectangles. This immediately piqued my interest and got me thinking, is it possible for a perfect cube to exist in nature?
Here's the blocks I was looking at on Google Earth. It looks like one of these cubes is just missing. There's no denying that that is 4 perfect 90-degree angles. And it kind of makes you wonder, where did the middle block go? This block, this one is almost a perfect cube. And you know what, I actually brought a tape measure, so I'm actually gonna measure this and see if it is. 20 feet wide. .5 feet. I'm gonna try to measure the height next.
Okay, quick math here. I'm going to generously assume that underneath the ground, there's a good chance that this cube extends for another 2 feet. And I think I left a foot off of this ruler, measuring its width. In this case, the dimensions of this cube are 20 feet by 21.5 feet by 21 feet. And therefore the volume is 9,030 square feet. The internet tells me sandstone is about 12.5 pounds per square foot, which seems kind of light, but we're going to go with it. Therefore, this almost cube weighs about 112,875 pounds.
So what we are standing on is a 3-dimensional cube.